PostgreSQL, also known as Postgres, is a free and open-source relational database management system that emphasizes extensibility and SQL compatibility. In this video, we will learn how to install PostgreSQL on a computer with a Windows operating system. Type PostgreSQL into Google. Click on this site. I will share the link of the site in the description section of the video. Click on the Download button. Choose your own operating system. My computer runs on Windows operating system. Click on the Windows button. Click on the Download the Installer button. You can download the latest version. Select the installation path. The download will complete shortly. Click the Next button. You do not have to select all programs on the installation selection screen. You probably won't need Stack Builder. pgAdmin is the GUI program we will use to manage the database. You can choose others except Stack Builder. I will also add a website about what Stack Builder does in the description section of the video. Set a password. Click the Next button. The port can be like this. Click the Next buttons and start the installation. You can run the pgAdmin program on your computer. Click on the Server button. Enter your password. We connected to the database. In this section, you can write SQL codes to manage the database. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.